Here is a black 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche LT. This vehicle is four-wheel drive with a 5.3-liter engine and automatic transmission. It comes equipped with alloy wheels, front fog lamps, roof rack, heavy-duty trailering equipment with trailer brake controller, Z71 off-road suspension package, remote keyless entry, and remote vehicle start. The interior is leather with heated and power adjustable front seats. Steering wheel audio controls, OnStar, dual zone automatic climate control, AM/FM radio with CD player, auxiliary input, XM satellite radio, and Bluetooth for hands-free phone use. This vehicle is also equipped with a rear view camera option. If you're interested in this vehicle or any other vehicles we carry, stop on by Polar Chevrolet Mazda in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.